Hello friends, today I'm going to make this Lego Duplo snail. I have a multi-color shell on my snail. You can use any colors you want for your shell. I'm going to take apart my Lego snail. I took apart my Lego snail and these are the pieces you need. Let's get started. First, let's make the shell. I am finished with my shell. Now I'm going to build the body of the snail. This is the tail. Now I'm building the rest of the head. Ta-da! Now we're finished with our Lego Duplo snail. I hope you make this at home and have fun. A snail is slithering. Oh look, the snail is going at snail pace.